What up guys, it's your boy Josh Sneaks and I'm back with another video. Today I got an unboxing and review for the Jordan 5 alternate grapes. So with that being said, let's get into it. On the front of the box you do have that big red Jumpman along with Nike Air on both sides with the size tag, size 10, and a classic Nike bottom with also another red Jumpman. That's pretty much it about the box, so let's get into it. So in the box, so in the box you do get black tissue paper. You also get this green and white stamp. You also get another stamp over here. These are all different ways to make sure your shoes are legit. But yeah, that's pretty much it about the box. I did take out the shoes, as you can see. But yeah, all these two different stamps and this number is different ways to legit check your shoe. But that being said, let's get into the shoe. And in the box we have the Jordan 5 alternate grapes. And based on the colorway or the name of the shoe, alternate grapes, these are all the alternate versions of the regular grape. So I'll put a picture of the regular grapes up so you guys can compare them, see the difference and similarities. So first off, the shoe does feature an icy sole with Jordan written at the bottom and a purple Jumpman. To the midsole, we have the icy sole peeking up into the midsole. The midsole is an all black midsole with hints of emerald shark teeth with black splatters on it and a white creamish air bubble. The black midsole. Next we have the purple upper. However, when people first see the shoe, they think of it's a purple shoe, but in hand it's not a purple shoe. It's a bluish purple. By that I mean if you think of the color blue and look at these, you see blue. But if you think of the color purple and look at these, think purple. That's what I like about it. It's not a full purple, it's a bluish purple, which also makes it really hard to match with. So it's gonna be tough. But the official colorway of this shoe is Grape Ice New Emerald Black. So yeah, it is a two-tone suede, so that's pretty nice. The suede is kind of rough though, but you can't complain. It does feature a black Jumpman on the back, but imagine this black Jumpman, but Nike Air in emerald. That would just make the shoe pop way more. But I'm satisfied with the black Jumpman. Nothing to be sad about. The shoe does feature a smoke grayish grill. Also features the same smoke gray color underneath the laces. These are not factory lace. These are my personal laced Jordan 5s. It does come with lace locks. Features clear lace locks with also a emerald and purple touch to them. So that's pretty nice. And these are my first Jordan 5s in my sneaker collection, so I don't really know how to lace Jordan 5s with the lace locks, but I'll learn. And personally, Jordan 5s with lace locks don't look that good to me, so I'll either wear my shoes like this loose or this loose. However, I don't think I'll wear it this way because eventually this will like pull and it'll touch the ground, which I don't like. So we'll probably end up rocking it this way, the short lace way. But yeah, I suggest that if you have a chance of copping these, I suggest you cop them because they're definitely worth it. I haven't really worn them yet. I tried them on to make sure they fit, and based on trying them on, they seem really comfortable. And when I push the insole, it seems really comfortable. So after I wear them or do the on feet, we'll see if it's pretty comfortable. Based on trying it on, it's comfortable. So I suggest if you guys have a chance to pick these up, you pick them up because they might increase in price later on down the road. The shoe does feature an emerald insole with a black Jumpman and your size tag, size 10. Yes, I am a size 10. And for Jordan 5, I suggest you guys go true to size, because just go true to size. There's no need to go up half size or down or anything. Just stay true to your size. And as on behind of the tongue, it does have the Air Jordan upside down as normal Jordan 5s do. So nothing too crazy there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. pretty much it about the Jordan 5s, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And it's been your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm out.